PlayPlay. We are gonna be doing, drum roll please, a crystal glowing art thingy. So, step number 1, fill these cubes with boiling hot water. We have boiling hot water right here, and ask a grown-up for help. Step number 2. First, we're going to be putting the crystal powder into these boiling hot cups. So let's start with blue. I'm going to pour it in. Whoa, look at that. It like spread out all the color. Wow. It went light to big, dark blue. Wow. Next, we're gonna do white. Whoa. Looks kind of like this, but more blendier. And my little sister is gonna do orange. The orange is kind of crumbly. And now we're gonna stir it. So now that we mixed it and it's cool, we are gonna drop in the crystal seeds on each one. This one is blue, this one is white, but that one turned a little orange, yellow. This yellow. One is orange.
And that's yellow, and that's white.
Now we're gonna put them in. 1, 2, and my sister is gonna put it in. 3. Now that we have put all of them in, we'll keep you posted. We're gonna leave them in for a few days and we'll keep you posted for the end. So it has been 1 week and these are the results. Orange, this is the minty color. Remember the white, but I got some orange in it. And blue. They're so colorful and pretty. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more JayJay PlayPlay videos. Bye!